When it comes to protecting your home and loved ones, security should always be a top priority. While many homeowners focus on alarm systems, surveillance cameras, or exterior lighting, the windows and doors in your home play a pivotal role in overall home security. In Washington, D.C., where urban living can present unique security challenges, ensuring your windows and doors are properly secured and up to date is crucial. Upgrading your windows and doors not only adds beauty to your home but also significantly boosts its security. In this article, we'll explore how Washington, D.C. windows and doors can enhance your home's security, reduce the risk of break-ins, and provide peace of mind. Stronger materials for increased durability. Old windows and doors, particularly those made of weak or outdated materials, are a significant security risk. Thinner glass, worn-out frames, and weaker locks make it easier for intruders to break in. Upgrading to modern Washington, D.C. windows and doors ensures that your home is better protected from unauthorized access. Impact-resistant glass. One of the key features of modern windows is the use of impact-resistant glass. This glass is stronger than traditional glass and can withstand significant force. For homes in Washington, D.C., which may experience everything from storms to attempted break-ins, impact-resistant windows provide an added layer of security by making it much more difficult for burglars to break through the glass. Durable door materials. Just as important as windows, your doors should be made of sturdy materials. Steel, fiberglass, and solid wood are some of the best materials for doors, offering superior durability and resistance to forced entry. These materials ensure that your door won't easily be compromised by force or tampering. By choosing high-quality, impact-resistant windows and durable doors, you provide your home with enhanced protection against break-ins. Advanced locking systems for extra protection locks are the first line of defense when it comes to securing your windows and doors. Traditional locks, especially those on older windows or doors, may be easy to bypass or damage. Washington, D.C. windows and doors companies offer advanced locking mechanisms that make it significantly harder for intruders to break in. Multi-point locking systems. Modern windows and doors often feature multi-point locking systems, which secure the window or door at multiple points along the frame. These locks are more difficult to defeat than older, single-point locks, making your home much more secure against break-ins. Smart locks. In addition to traditional locks, many homeowners in Washington, D.C. are opting for smart locks on their doors. These locks allow you to control access to your home remotely using your smartphone or smart home system. With features such as keyless entry, temporary codes for visitors, and activity monitoring, smart locks offer a higher level of security and convenience. By upgrading to advanced locking systems like multi-point locks or smart locks, you can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access to your home. Better weather resistance and added security. Living in Washington, D.C. means dealing with a range of weather conditions, from high winds to heavy rains and occasional snowstorms. Older windows and doors, especially those that are poorly sealed or outdated, can become vulnerable in extreme weather. Washington, D.C. windows and doors can be replaced with weather-resistant options that protect your home from both the elements and potential intruders. Weatherproof seals. Modern energy-efficient windows and doors come with improved weatherproof seals that keep drafts, water, and moisture out. This prevents the buildup of condensation, which could otherwise lead to weakened frames and seals. When these components are compromised, it can make it easier for burglars to pry open or break through your windows and doors. Impact-resistant windows. In addition to offering protection against break-ins, impact-resistant windows also provide better resistance to severe weather. These windows are designed to withstand high winds and flying debris, providing added protection during storms and hurricanes, which can be common in the DC area. By installing weather-resistant windows and doors, you're safeguarding both your home's security and its protection against extreme weather conditions. Improved visibility and lighting for better surveillance. Proper lighting around your windows and doors can act as a deterrent to potential intruders. Washington, D.C. windows and doors can be strategically installed to enhance visibility, making it more difficult for burglars to operate without being seen. Larger, clearer windows. Installing larger or more strategically placed windows improves visibility around the perimeter of your home. Burglars are less likely to target homes where they can be easily spotted. Additionally, clear, modern windows provide better natural lighting, which makes it harder for intruders to hide in shadows. Enhanced exterior lighting. In addition to installing new windows, consider upgrading your exterior lighting to brighten areas around your doors and windows. Motion sensor lights and floodlights can illuminate dark spots, reducing the chances of intruders approaching unnoticed. By enhancing visibility with larger windows and strategic lighting, you make it more difficult for intruders to go undetected, improving your overall home security. Increased home value and peace of mind. Beyond security, upgrading your windows and doors in Washington, D.C. also increases your home's overall value. Whether you plan to stay in your home long-term or eventually sell, potential buyers will appreciate the added safety features and modern upgrades. Homebuyers' preferences. Homes with new windows and doors featuring modern security features are more likely to attract buyers. These buyers are looking for homes with energy-efficient, secure, and durable features, which makes them feel safer and more comfortable. Peace of mind. For current homeowners, replacing old windows and doors with new, secure options gives peace of mind, knowing that your home is better protected from both break-ins and weather-related damage. Investing in Washington, D.C. windows and doors is an investment in both your home's security and its value. You'll enjoy peace of mind, knowing your family is better protected from potential threats. Conclusion. Washington, D.C. windows and doors offer many benefits that directly impact your home's security. From stronger materials and advanced locking systems to weather-resistant features and increased visibility, replacing old windows and doors with modern, secure options ensures that your home is safe, comfortable, and energy efficient. Not only does this enhance your family's safety, but it also boosts the overall value of your property. If you're looking to improve the security and durability of your home, window and door replacement is a wise investment that will pay off in peace of mind and long-term protection.